What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make protein pancakes that are low carb using XTEND protein, some almond flour, and some eggs. So let's get after it. If you don't have egg whites, what you're going to do is take the eggs, you're going to crack them, you're going to let just the egg white out, and keep the yolk inside the shell if you can. You kind of shoot it back and forth like this to get all the egg white out into the bowl. And once you've just got the yolk in the shell, you can throw that away. It's a trash can down there. It's not just the floor, don't worry. And we're gonna repeat this process until we've got about 3/4 cup of egg whites. 3/4 cups of egg whites into the bowl. And next we're gonna do a 3/4 cup of almond flour. That was too much. 3/4 cup. And put the 3/4 cup of almond flour in the bowl. Then we're gonna add 1 whole egg. And now most importantly, we're gonna add 1 scoop of XTEND protein powder. Today I'm gonna be using the cookie butter flavor because it tastes amazing and tastes amazing in protein pancakes. Then we're gonna whisk that all together. Next, we're going to spray the pan so the pancakes don't stick. We are going to turn the burner on to a low to medium heat. Then we're going to pour our pancake on there. Then I'm going to let it cook for about a minute or until I see bubbles coming up through the pancake. But don't let it sit too long on there because you don't want it to burn. Alright, I can see some bubbles coming through, so I'm going to give it a flip and then cook the other side. And then serve the pancake onto the plates. And there you go. High protein, low carb pancake.